I was playing with the planar and the MFB thingy, but you can see my contraption, and I'm pretty sure Sander had a clamp that's clamping on the panel itself or on the loudspeaker itself. And it's funny because since it's not connected to the speaker itself, you can see it, even the movement of the loudspeaker and this stand as well. So if we look at there, it's almost stopped moving, but if I jump, yeah, that's a wooden floor for you. And of course a very large speaker that, you know, moves around. Thought that was funny. It's not ideal because if you engage a circuit at a higher volume, if you move around in your room, the circuit tries to correct the loudspeaker for it. So that could be painful. But yeah. So I am gonna test a little bit more, but I know this is a huge, big ass problem if you're doing it like I'm doing right now. But I'm pretty sure that's the reason why Sander did not use it like this. If you connect to the speaker itself and I jump around here, they both move. In this case, they move separately. No good.